Every child deserves the best possible start in life and support to fulfill their potential. A child's experience in the early years has a major impact on their future life chances. Book Belong Pikinini seeks to improve education outcomes in Papua New Guinea. We do this by supporting teachers with training and teaching resources. The training covers topics such as phonics, positive behavior management, learning through play, book reading, and sign language. These are just some of the topics taught as part of Book Belong Pikinini's training program. Book Belong Pikinini's interactive phonics routine incorporates all 5 of the Jolly phonics skills. The sequence of visual aids helps the children understand the phonics routine and what is expected of them daily. Positive behavior management. Being able to manage disruptive behavior in a positive way is key to an enjoyable teaching experience. Sign language. Sign language is an important tool that bridges the communication gap that might exist between people who are deaf and those who can hear. Learning through play. Play enables children to make connections between prior experiences and new learning. This is where children show their ability for exploration, imagination, and problem solving. Book reading. Reading at an early age is the key to long-term success in school and in lifelong learning. It is important to do it correctly. Book Belong Pikinini's mission is to ensure that as many schools across Papua New Guinea have access to quality teacher upskilling training and resources. Early childhood education. It gets the journey started built on solid foundations.